Okay, so if we try to understand what we have discussed, what we are going to cover is going.
सर वो एक बात पूछनी थी, जो आपने मुझे सैप की आईडी भेजी थी वो मैंने तो एक
Okay, so what we are going to cover is in accounting, in financial accounting. We'll see first the master data. We'll create master data for our enterprise. Our enterprise will be an automotive company, and an automotive company that is producing passenger cars and SUVs. Will create GL accounts. Okay, so we'll create GL accounts. That is first part of our uh, FI, finance, and then we will also reflect the entries in controlling. In controlling, we will be creating cost centers, master data, and master data will create standard hierarchy cost centers. What is standard hierarchy? It basically shows how the arrangement of cost centers is established and maintained for an enterprise. For example, if you look at this, we have so many areas that are being covered through representation of cost centers. Okay. And with over here, it's another example of another enterprise, okay, where we are maintaining the cost center network. And if you talk about another company, let's say controlling area, I choose another controlling area and I choose its standard hierarchy. Okay, we have a company code ZAP9. The network of the cost centers actually is spread out, that it represents the cost center, being operational in various areas and departments of the company. Okay. After that, what we'll do, we will also be maintaining cost elements. Now, cost element is a mirror representation of the GL accounts, but GL accounts are in finance side, cost elements are at the controlling side. Okay, we'll also understand how controlling is related to company code, and company code, how operational transactions are recorded in a company code. Then we'll plan our cost. We'll forecast our planned cost, actual cost, okay? And we will compare the planned and the actual cost. Plus, we will also plan out and design activity units, activity output, and prices, okay? And plus, we will be looking at how activity units are planned. That will be a part of our planning, and then we'll also create distribution between cost centers of cost coming from finance into various areas of controlling. Okay. After that, then we'll have profitability analysis. But before that, we'll also establish a network of profit center accounting. In profit centers, we'll have master data. We'll create that master data as well. In profitability analysis, we will maintain reporting rules. Now, these derivation, we are deriving details of our planned cost, actual cost, variances, product costing for various segments of our enterprise. And we will look at, because profitability analysis is nothing but reporting of a certain segment in a period based on the cost that has been incurred for producing a material in that for that segment. Okay, we will have our own derivatives or features for that reporting geography. Okay, so based on that, product cost controlling, how we will be doing product costing, we'll see that. We'll plan our material, the material cost, and we will also have a look at FI, SD, PP integration also. And we'll be running our costing runs right at the end of our training, because that is where it actually is complete with all integrations, connections, and configuration. And this is how costing run will be run through this screen. Now, at first, okay, now to start with, we'll start with configuration of company, company code, chart of accounts, fiscal year, listing periods, ledger, and what else? For now, let's start with this. Okay. So to start with the configuration, we will access our T code, that is SPRO, IMG, and enterprise structure. In enterprise structure, we will create a company, define a company. Now, a company is a mother company that we'll be making, and we will have a company named
सर ये स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है यहाँ
yes. Happy group, app 9. Okay, we are maintaining the details. Let's save it. This is mother company. App 9, CEO. Company code. Edit company code data. Now, this is the next step. New entries. App 9. Okay. Happy group. App 9. Dubai, country AE, currency AED. Now, mother company currency was USD. Okay. Save AE. Happy group, app 9. Now we have created a company and a company code. Okay. We have defined it. Now we will assign it as well. Assign financial accounting company code to company assignment. Company code to company. So company has a higher precedence. We'll find the company code, that is HAP9, HAP9C. Now this says company code currency is different from company currency. Just press enter, it will go away. It was just a warning. This is done. Now next step is we go to financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master data, GL accounts, preparations, edit chart of accounts list. Okay, chart of accounts. What is chart of accounts? If we just have a discussion of brief. Chart of accounts are nothing but group of accounts, or collection of accounts at one place. It's segmented or categorized. Let's see how it is categorized. Okay. We'll keep the same code, HAP9. Maintenance language will be English. GL account number will be 10. Save. Assign company code to chart of accounts. Position. Company code is HAP9, and we will attach HAP9. Chart of accounts is HAP9. Now, but how it will be designed, we'll see that. Define account group. Now, over here, we will define account group L9CA. We will copy this because this is a template that we are going to use. Copy as F9. Copy. Control Y. No. It's ZAP9. Yes, this is good one. Copy as ZAP9. Copy as define account group ZAP9. Copy as enter. So what we are doing, we are copying GL accounts, the numbering of the GL accounts for various categories: zero balance, assets, expenses, income, liabilities, material accounts, secondary cost. Okay, save. This is saved. Defined. The next step is retained earnings account. Chart of accounts have 9 X. This is simple. 100, 100. This is used for balance carry forward for year-end activity. Okay. Save. Okay. Defined retained. ZAP9 just to make sure, yes, we are on the same path. Now comes the next part is global setting. ledger, fields, assign company code to field status variant. Now field status variant, have 9. Field status variant will be ZAP 9. Because this is a template that we're using. We'll discuss what is field status variant later on. Right now, we'll just do the configuration. Fields, fiscal year, assign company code to fiscal year. Now, what is fiscal year? Fiscal year is that you will do postings and your calendar will be January to December. Some companies will follow April to March calendar. Some companies will follow July to June calendar. Okay, save.
Okay.
That is fiscal year variant. Posting periods, assign variants to company code. Have 9. We will assign 8842. This is another variant that we have maintained. Save. Open and close posting periods. Now, what is this? What is a posting period? Let me just tell you that. For 8842, which is assigned to our company code, it is basically to get authorization to post from period 1 of 2024 till the 12th. 13th and 16th are special periods for adjustments at year end. And entries can be done in assets, customers, vendors, material, and GL. And plus is for it covers all the account categories. And empty means from the very start till the very end of the range. And empty and empty means all ranges. Okay. I hope this is clear. Now comes the next ledger part. So what we have actually covered here, company code, charts, company, posting period, ledger. Now we are going to do ledger. We've already done chart of accounts. Okay. This we have done. Although we might be going very fast, but the course content of FICO is pretty much long, so we cannot actually afford to go slow. Okay. Now, leading ledger is basically a ledger which takes all and records all the transactions, manual and automatic, from entire SAP landscape. So there is only one ledger that does that. And nobody can take its place, neither it can be replaced. So there is only one leading principal ledger in the whole of SAP landscape. So landscape by landscape, I mean at this client, at this server. Okay. Leading ledger, company code settings.
SAP is very heavy software.
No, it's the internet that is very slow. It's not heavy, it's the internet.
Today is my first day, so facing some issues, but I am trying to practice.
Practice is very necessary, essential. Very
Sir, this
essential.
step is also so you are doing this step. I am practice watching videos and again. So I think I improve my performance.
Of course, practice is very essential for this. You just have to practice once to get the logic. Okay, company code, HJP9. Over here, we have local type currency. Now, what is local type currency? I'll double click this. Okay, parallel accounting will connect this gap. Functional currency is 10. Now, currency type is company code currency is 10. This is what we have actually configured at the very beginning. Now, if we talk about currency, in 10, one is company code currency and 0 is legal valuation. 2 is profit center currency and 0 is legal valuation. Okay. And 3 is group currency. Group currency and legal valuation. How many
This is
types?
currency code, sir.
No, this is types of currencies and
Type of
valuations. How many valuations are there? Types of valuations: legal 0, group 1, profit center level 2. Okay, this is valuation.
Okay.
So this is 1 and 0, company code currency and legal valuation. We need another global currency type as well. Save it. Okay, this is done. Currency conversion settings. Now, what are the currency types? Let's see, have a look at that. Okay, we have document currency, we have controlling area currency, then we have document currency in group valuation, company code currency in group valuation, profit center valuation, company code currency 101112. Okay. Okay, we scroll down and we have some custom made reporting currency GBP. We'll take Y2. Okay, Y2 means we'll report in GBP as well. So we are reporting in AED, USD, and GBP. So currency conversion settings, new entries, have 9, currency type Y3. Y2, currency GBP. We can take any currency, but we'll take GBP. Exchange rate type will be M. Average translation date will be when the document is posted. On that date, will translate into GBP. Save. Okay. Okay, happy 9 and Y2 clearly defined currency. We've already attached GBP with this through Y2. Okay. Come on. Okay, Y2 is done. Next step is okay. Next step, controlling.